Hello, FASS Motorsports. We are out here at Sahm Fabrication in Washington, Missouri. They are going to freaking laser beam cut
sharks with frickin' laser beams attached to their heads.
Suspension components for us. So we're putting that Dynatrack axle underneath the 2006 race truck, and it's 4-linked, so that means we need custom brackets. So to save our butts in time for UCC, we came out here because these guys have all the machinery and knowledge to get it done in like minutes when it might take Spencer hours without some of their tools. So let's go inside, check out Sahm Fabrication, and see what it takes to cut a bunch of suspension brackets.
Break the light barrier. They go up from there. They get more expensive.
A lot of one-off stuff.
Yeah, for scrubbing.
Oh yeah.
There's a ton of stuff for scrubbing. A lot of stuff for melting.
Oh.
So what are we doing, Spencer? What's going on with all this?
These are the front 4-link brackets for that Spidertrax axle that we're putting under the 2006. This is some chromoly plate, and we came over to Sahm to have them laser them out just to get the cut quality as good as you possibly can. So right now we're just checking to make sure we have everything. You've got to go make one more cut. Yeah, I mean the plasma cutter does a pretty good job for prototyping, but it doesn't compare to a laser.
So shout out to Sahm Welding for the
the
hookup.
really saving our butts on this. This stuff's gonna weld super nice.
Now you said you actually came up with the schematics for all this.
Yeah, I just I pulled a few measurements off a stock axle, just to try to get the geometry as close as possible, and then drew the rest of it up in SolidWorks and just basically emailed it over to them, and they cut it out.
Any recommendations for somebody looking to stuff a Dynatrack axle under a 2006 Ram?
Have patience.
And this is Adam. We're going to try to talk him into doing some donuts in his STI later.
Maybe if it's raining.
Yeah, we can do that after this kind of
Yeah.
I mean, if you do a high enough RPM and like clutch dump, you'll definitely just spin the tires. It won't hurt anything.
Yeah. Well, laser crystals into laser beams.
magic.
Little magic lightsabers that cut steel. Yeah.
So Adam just explained how this machine works, and he used very scientific terms, but basically it's magic crystals, lightsabers, and UPS. Nitrogen and UPS.
And UPS makes deliveries, yeah.
But not FedEx. They can't
Not
bring
FedEx.
crystals because they'll be
No,
damaged.
they'll probably be broken.
And we'd be here for 3 weeks waiting on it.
Yep. Without a tracking number.
So basically what Adam was saying is this green tinted glass protects our eyes from the actual laser because you can't see the laser. So what we actually saw in film there, what you saw was actually just molten steel because the light that is used to cut this, it's a laser, right? Basically is not visible to the human eye, so you have to stand behind this glass so that you don't go blind. That's essentially what it took away from it, but somebody who knows a lot more about machining, like Adam over there, could probably explain it a lot better, but basically it's, like I said, laser beams, crystals, and UPS. Thanks for letting us come to your magic laser beam factory.
Yeah. Yep. It's been fun.
Cool. Well, I'm
again
going
soon.
to go get some welds done.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we've got the parts we needed. Spencer can go work his welding magic on it. Big shout out. Ooh, that's bright. Big shout out to Sahm Fabrication here in Washington, Missouri. They saved our butts on this one. And we'll see you next time. More race truck stuff to come.